Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the types of the operating systems. So in last class we discussed about the what is the operating system. So I told you clearly that the operating system is a major program which makes the medium or interact with the it makes the communication between user and computer, and as well as so it makes the communication between the computer and hardware system, right? So the main object of the operating system is it enables the all the programs, so whatever we use, and it organizes and control the hardware, and it definitely it interface between the application programs and machine hardware. So the best example of the operating systems are nowadays we use the so Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac OS, so like that, right? Actually, what does operating system? So operating system perform the um, so controlling and allocating memory, controlling controlling the memory and allocating the memory, and prioriting the system request. So for example, we are doing the multiple works, right? So among the multiple works, which one is preferable, so which one should be uh, prioritized, right? So for example, we are listening the songs, so and we are giving the we want to give we want the some printouts, right? So by using these two one, so which one is important? So the absolutely the printing is a very important, right? So controlling input output devices, and facilitating the networks, and managing the files. Now so this is the one type of the batch processing operating system. Now in this one, one specified batch, so together executed a work at a time, right? So this is also very simple operating system. So it is a major task is to transfer control from the one job to the next job, but this and batch processing system only, so one person can access the operating system at a time, right? So it doesn't permit the multiple access or multiple jobs. So this is the structure of the operating system, right? So here this operating system is can be accessed by only one user, right? So and it doesn't allow the multiple users, right? The next one is multiple program. So this is the advanced of the batch programming operating system. So in this one, multi programs can be done at a time, right? So simultaneously the multi programs can be done by a single processor. So in multi programming, so number of process will be reside in the main memory at a time, right? So this operating system uh, begins the and begins to execute one of the jobs in the main memory. So we give the many jobs into the main memory, so and it picks the one job, and that and it executes, right? So if any input or output device are in waiting process, then CPU switches from the that job to the another job, depending upon the priority, right? And so CPU is not idle at any time. So bit means CPU is doing the execution without interruption. So this is the structure of the operating system, multi-programming operating system. So here, so we have the many jobs, so to be executed. So now here job 1 and job 2, job 3, job 4, job 5, right? So depending upon the priority, so this operating system is going to execute the a job, right? So this is the efficient memory at it operating system utilize the memory effectively, and so continuously this CPU is executing the all the jobs. So the next one is time sharing operating system. So in this one, so the time is allocated to the for different jobs. So depending upon the requirement, so depending upon the priority, right? And the time is shared among the all the jobs, right? So the example is Unix and Multics and examples, right? Now the operating system functions, so program creation, program execution, so input output operations, error reduction, resource allocation, accounting, and protection, right? So we can classify, or we can make the so we can classify the types of the operating system as single user system, multi user system, right? In the observing single user system, one person can access the CPU and complete the job. In multiple multi user systems, multiple person access the CPU, right? So this is the regarding the types of the operating system. Have a nice day. God bless you.